So I was reading Colossians this morning, Colossians chapter 1, verses 15 to 20, and it was so cool to read how we are reconciled to God through Christ. This Satsuma soap from the Body Shop is my favorite Christmas soap. I remember a time when the malls always smelled like Satsuma during the holidays. I figured I would let you see the kids' breakfast this morning. Cheerios and milk for Man Cub, and porridge, otherwise known as grits, for Songbird. It's another work from home day. Songbird has gone to Mimi's house. She's gonna do some lessons there, and I haven't done a stitch of Christmas shopping. How about you guys? Have you started on your Christmas list? Are you done already? Are you way behind? Or is it just me? I'm planning to take this burlap banner that I got on Amazon and paint it white. And then I'm going to paint the name Emmanuel on here with some gold paint. So I can vision it in my mind, envision it in my mind, and it looks really awesome. And I hope that it turns out as cool looking as I'm imagining it. I just think it's really cool how Jesus is the Word, and the word Emmanuel means God is with us, which is Jesus, and Jesus is the Word, and the Word is with us, and it's just really cool.